We installed a French drain, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like when we're done. This is a finished product. How do you achieve that? How do you put in a French drain and have your yard look this good? Well, rent a sod cutter and set it to the deepest notch and then cut the sod. And then go ahead and take a shovel and just chop it in like 18-inch pieces and put it aside. And I promise you, when you get done putting in that French drain and you put the sod back on top and tamp it, it's going to look this good. And the seams will grow back together in days. Now, these guys that just come in with a trencher and tear it all to heck, well, then it's going to look bad for half the summer, as we know. We took this one to a detention pond, and that is the discharge right there. I would have took it all the way to the water, but there's a common area, and we had to stop right there at that point. All right, everybody, until that next video.